Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by verifying core prerequisites and taking immediate actions. First, check Android version and free storage, outdated OS or low space blocks updates. Next, restart the device and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to refresh network stacks. Once done, open settings and confirm your Google account is signed in and sync is active. This ensures Play services can authenticate. These steps clear the most common transient issues and prepare the device for targeted troubleshooting. Now focus on middle stage repairs by resetting app state and updating core components. Go to Apps, choose Google Play Store and Google Play services, then clear cache and data. This removes corrupt temporary files. If the Play Store still misbehaves, uninstall its updates to restore factory version, then let it update again. Also update Android System WebView and Play services because mismatched versions cause crashes. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi and, when available, plug in to avoid interrupted updates. Finish with advanced diagnostics and a strong troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, remove your Google account and re-add it. This forces a fresh authentication. Check system date, time, VPN, DNS settings, and any carrier or parental restrictions that block Play. Boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps interfere. If Play works there, uninstall recent apps. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. If nothing fixes it, my key tip: capture the exact error message before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.